Hello dear kids, welcome back to Active Learning Lab period. So children, today I have a beautiful activity for you all, and the name of the activity is foot ladder. And children, we are going to draw footprints and then we will walk. But we have a twist also. While walking, you have to balance also. So children, let's see what is there in the activity. So children, as you can see, I have drawn few footprints on the floor, and because they are in sequence, so we can call it foot ladder. And at the end of this activity, I have pasted a double O sound chart, which I told you all to make that chart with you have to write 4 or 5 spellings with double O sound, and you have to make a chart. Children, if you don't have chart paper, you can write on a sheet of paper and paste it. See, I have pasted there. So children, as you can see, these are footprints and you have to walk on it. So while walking, you have to read the chart. While taking each and every step, you have to read the chart. And children, this is the best way to revise the previous spellings also, which you have done earlier, double O sound. So this way we can revise those things. And this is not all. You have to take one pillow or cushion while doing this activity. And you all must be thinking what we will do with the pillow. I am going to tell you, you have to keep that pillow. That should not be so heavy, and you have to keep that pillow or cushion on your head, and you have to balance, and your hand should be stretched. So it's a great fun. When you walk, you have to balance and you have to read also, and that is called active learning. So children, I am going to show you how you have to do this. So Aishwarya, are you ready?
Yes.
So children, as you can see, the cushion or pillow on the head, and hand should be stretched. Now Aishwarya, you have to walk on the footprint. Okay, one by one you will keep your foot on the footprint, and don't forget you have to read this chart also.
Okay.
So let's start the activity.
Boot, pool, foot, tools, hook, wood, wool, book, boot and pool.
Okay, now we will revise the word which we have read.
Hook, boot, wool, book, hook, tools, book, wool, book.
So children, this way we have completed the activity, and the name of the activity is foot ladder. And children, hope you have enjoyed this activity. Don't forget to share your videos while doing this activity. And children, you can write more spellings while doing this activity. Not 4, 5. You can add more and more spellings, or you can add any other topic. So children, hope you have enjoyed this activity. I'm waiting for your video. Don't forget to share your video. We will meet you next time. Till then, bye bye. Happy learning.